Hello students, in the last class we have already seen how to solve some equations using logarithm. When the equations are in the form a to power x is equal to b, where a and b are constants and x is a variable which we are finding, we use the logarithm. We take logarithm on both the sides and by using the power law, get x down and solve this. So now, today we'll see some other type of problems which we can easily solve using logarithm. So take the first one here, 3 to power 2x minus 8 into 3 to power x plus 12 equal to 0. Now here 3 to power 2x, I can write it as 3 to power x the whole square, because we have the laws of indices. A to power m to power n is a to power m into n. So a to power m into n is a to power m whole to power n, and hence I can write 3 to power 2x as 3 to power x the whole square. So x and 2 will get multiplied, that will give me 2x back, minus 8 into 3 to power x plus 12 equal to 0. So now what I will do is I will take 3 to power x at say y. So that will give me y square minus 8y plus 12 equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation which can be factorized easily. Now here y square coefficient is 1. So I will factorize the constant. The sign of the constant is plus. So factorize 12 such that the sum is equal to 8. So the two factors are 6 and 2. And since I want negative 8, it will be negative 6, negative 2. And hence the two factors here will be y minus 6, y minus 2 equal to 0. So that gives y minus 6 is equal to 0, which is y is equal to 6, or y minus 2 equal to 0, which is y is equal to 2. Now substitute back for y. Y is 3 to power x. So 3 to power x is equal to 6. So as we have seen in the last time, in this equation, the power is unknown. We have to find the value of x. So I will take log on both the sides. So log 3 to power x is equal to log 6, which means x log 3 is equal to log 6. Using the power law of logarithm, I am getting x down and multiplying the logarithm by x. So x is equal to log 6 divided by log 3, log 6 divided by log 3 is 1.63. So now come to the second root, y is equal to 2. So that gives 3 to power x is equal to 2. So again take log on both the sides. So log 3 to power x is equal to log 2, which gives x log 3 is equal to log 2, or x is equal to log 2 divided by log 3, which is 0.631 from the calculator. And hence, two solutions of this equation are x is equal to 1.63 or x is equal to 0.631. So let us see one more problem here. So 3 to power 2x plus 1 plus 7 into 3 to power x minus 10 equal to 0. Now, use the law of indices. 8 to power m into 8 to power n is 8 to power m plus n, but in the opposite manner. So 3 to power 2x plus 1, I can write it as 3 to power 2x into 3 to power 1, that is 3, plus 7 into 3 to power x minus 10 equal to 0. So 3 into, now 3 to power 2x, I write it as 3 to power x the whole square plus 7 into 3 to power x minus 10 equal to 0. So again take 3 to power x is equal to y, which gives you 3 into y square plus 7 into y minus 10 equal to 0. So in this case, y square has a coefficient 3 and the constant is 10. So take the product, 3 into 10. The sign of the constant is minus, so factorize 3 into 10 in such a way that the difference is equal to 7. And as you can see here, the factors are again 10 and 3. The difference of 10 and 3 is 7. You want plus 7, so plus 10 minus 3. So 3y square. Now plus 7y, I will split it up as plus 10y minus 3y minus 10 equal to 0. So from these two terms, take y common. So that gives 3y plus 10 inside. Take negative sign out here. And from 3y and 10, you can take only one common. So the second bracket here will be 3y plus 10 again. Because I am taking minus sign out, negative 10 will become positive 10. And hence the two factors are 3y plus 10 and y minus 1 is equal to 0. So equating each factor to 0, 3y plus 10 equal to 0, that gives y is equal to negative 10 upon 3. Now put back for y. Y is 3 to power x. But you know about the graph of exponential functions. I'll just draw a rough sketch here. So for exponential functions which are in the form y is equal to a to power x. X-axis is the horizontal asymptote. So the function comes from infinity, passes through 1 on x-axis and goes to infinity. Which means the exponential function cannot take any value towards the negative y direction. That means it cannot take any negative value. So 3 to power x is negative 10 upon 3 is not possible. There is no root for this, no solution for this. So come to the second root here, y minus 1 equal to 0, which gives y is equal to 1, or y is 3 to power x is equal to 1. Now here, keep it in mind that no need of taking logarithm. 1 can be just written as 3 to power 0. Now since the bases are same on both the sides, that means x is equal to 0, which is the only solution. So let me give you some problems for practice on the same type. For practice, so the first problem here, 5 to power 2x plus 5 to power x minus 20 equal to 0. So just as a hint, take 5 to power x as y and get a quadratic. 7 to power 2x minus 8 into 7 to power x plus 12 equal to 0. Then the third one, 3 to power 2x plus 1 plus 7 into 3 to power x minus 6 equal to 0. So here, first split up 3 to power 2x plus 1 as 3 to power 2x into 3 to power 1, that is 3. And the fourth one, 5 to power 2x plus 1 plus 6 into 5 to power x minus 8 is equal to 0. So just try these problems as homework. Any doubts, make them clear in the next class. Enjoy the day ahead, student. See you in the next class.